are running Facebook business and want to automate your complete Facebook business management processes? Are you pondering on how to nurture your leads and increase customer engagement on your e-commerce website? Are you seeking a backing of live chat 24/7 for your store with real-time conversations with your customers? Then guys, it's time to leverage Facebook Messenger today on your e-commerce website. Hello everyone, this is Drishti with Bot My Work, and guys, today we are presenting you Chatbot Builder, a chatbot for WordPress that is going to empower you have the live conversations with your customers and engage with them better than before. With WordPress Chatbot Builder, you can automate your entire business processes and give an instant boost to your business ROI. Not only this, you can start the real-time conversations with your potential customers, recapture your leads, increase customer engagement with the best chatbot for WordPress 2021 on your e-commerce website. Moreover, you can get an instant gateway to automate your Facebook business processes with a free chatbot plugin for WordPress. With WordPress Chatbot Builder, you can execute the entire personalized marketing campaigns to nurture your potential leads and convert them into regular customers. Moreover, you can refine the customer experience with the help of customizable theme options with our WordPress chatbot and in just a quick few steps. So guys, now it's time to add chatbot plugin on your WordPress website and generate qualified leads for your business growth. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today with Chatbot Builder and get an instant access to re-engage in conversations with your customers and make Facebook ads more interactive for your customers. So guys, now let's start the demo video and understand that how Chatbot Builder is going to work for you. So guys, now we are going to start the demo video and we will discuss that how can you start working with WP Chatbot Builder on your WordPress website, and I'll be showing you that once you have implemented and installed bot on your Facebook business page, how can you start the live conversations with your customer. So let's start the demo. So guys, as you can see that the very first thing that you have to do is visit your WordPress account. So on your WordPress dashboard, as soon as you have installed WP Chatbot Builder plugin, you can see the plugin on the very left side navigation bar as over here. So you have to click on this plugin. So let's click on this plugin first of all. And now we have landed on WP Chatbot Builder settings page. So guys, as you can see that these are the different settings that we have to do. So first of all, I will show you all the settings that we have to do so as to enable WP Chatbot Builder on the WordPress website. So guys, as you can see that from here, first you have to enable WP Chatbot Builder, and the next is welcome message. So guys, this is a welcome message that would be sent by the bot to your customer. So you can write the message over here. Now it completely depends upon you that what message you want your bot to send to the customers. So for example, I write the message over here, which is, we are pleased to welcome you at Bot My Work. We feel honored that you have chosen us to fill your business marketing needs. So this is a message that I have entered guys. Now it depends upon you what is the message that you want your bot to send to your customer. So you can write it over here accordingly, and then you will have to click on save. So we have set the welcome message, and after enabling WP Chatbot Builder, you have to click on this save button. So as soon as you are going to click on these save buttons, the settings are going to be enabled for the front end. So I'll be showing you the working on the front end as well. Now the next comes is default message. So guys, over here you can set the default message that would be sent by the bot to your customer as soon as the question comes up from the user or the customer end. So the default messages, for example, if I write the default message over here as thank you, and first name is the template string guys that I have used. So as you can see on the left side that these are the different template strings that you can use while setting up the conversation between the bot and the customer. So basically the importance of template strings are that these template strings help you to personalize the messages, and that you can enable, that you can use while setting up the messages for the conversation between the bot and the customer. So using one of the template string, which is first name, I have set the default message. So after setting the default message, you have to click on save. So by default, this message would be sent by the bot to the customer. I'll be showing you on the front end that how it is going to appear on the messages. After that, what comes is QA. So guys, QA is the section that is going to be very beneficial and advantageous for you, because using QA you can set up the conversation that is being expected between the bot and the customer. So as you can see that there are two sections over here. First one is for user and second is for bot. So over here, for example, you can set that you can create the question like how are you doing, and you have to click on this button. So as soon as you are going to click on this button, the message would be created that can be expected from the user. So guys, likewise you can create the messages over here that can be expected from the customer's end or from the user's end. And likewise over here you can create the messages for bot. As you can see over here, I have created a message, hello, first name, welcome to input. So these are the two template strings that I have used, and that would be working for bot. So guys, after setting up the questions over here, you have to click on update. So as soon as you're going to click on update, these messages would be these messages would start working from the user and the bot end on the front end. And likewise, it completely depends upon your business requirements that you can also add more QAs, and that you can do by clicking on this button that you can see add QA. So as soon as you're going to click on this QA section, you can add more QAs for setting up the conversation between the bot and the customer. So guys, this is how you can see that you can set up the live conversation between the bot and the customer, and this is ultimately going to enhance the overall experience of your customers when they are going to visit you on your WordPress website. So guys, we have done all the settings, and now what we have to do is I'll be showing you on the front end that how WP Chatbot Builder is going to work. And before that, let me show you the another tab, which is customize. So guys, firstly I show you the settings that were involved in the setup tab. Firstly, we will set up all the settings. So we have set up the settings for WP Chatbot Builder. We have enabled it from here. We have set the welcome message, default message. We have set up the QA for setting up the conversation between bot and the customer. Now I'm going to show you the another tab, which is customize. So let's click on this tab. So guys, customize section is going to be very beneficial for you, because using the customize section, using these settings, you can customize the overall theme of your Facebook Messenger. So this is definitely going to affect the customer experience when they're going to come on your Facebook business page and they're going to have the live conversation with you. Now the first thing that you can do is that you can set up is messenger theme color. So guys, from here you can set up the theme color. Now as you can see that there are different options, of the color that you can choose, but as you can see the message that it is a high recommendation from the Facebook itself that it recommends you to choose a color that is having a high contrast with respect to white color. So accordingly you can set the color from here, and then you have to select the color, and likewise it will be reflected over the front end. Next is greeting text. So guys, over here you can set the greeting text for the logged in user and for the logged out user. You can see I have mentioned the message. Now if you are not going to mention any text over here, the default messages would be sent as a greeting text to both the logged in users and the guest users. Next is guys, device behavior. So using the device behavior, you can select the devices on which you want to display Facebook Messenger. Let me click on this drop down button, and as you can see that you are getting the options of show on desktop and mobile both, show on desktop only, and show on mobile only. So these are the different options. You can select the option according to your business requirements on which devices you want to show Facebook Messenger. So for now I am selecting show on desktop and mobile both, and as you can see, if you are going to select mobile devices, so it is going to include both smartphones and the tablets. So according to your business needs and the requirements, you can select the devices on which you want to show Facebook Messenger. Next is display. So guys, from here you can select the places on where you want to show the Facebook Messenger. If you have selected the option of show everywhere, so the Facebook Messenger will be displayed on all the pages. And next is greeting dialog delay. So guys, what is greeting dialog delay is, using this setting you can set the time after which the bot will be sending the greeting dialog to the customer on the front end. Now this time is going to be in the number of seconds. Right now the value which is selected is 8. Now you can change the value, you can increase or decrease the seconds, it depends upon you after how many seconds you want the bot to send the greeting dialog box on the front end as soon as the plugin has been loaded. So now guys, after making all these settings, under customize you have to click on this button as you can see over here, which is save changes. So as soon as you're going to click on this button, all the settings would be enabled, and I'll be showing you that how it is going to work on the front end. So guys, all the settings have been saved. We have set the color theme for the Facebook Messenger. We have set the greeting text both for logged in user and the logged out users. Fine. We have selected the device, the display settings, and greeting dialog delay, which is in seconds. So guys, we have done all the settings, and now I am going to show you on the front end. But before moving on to the front end, let me also show you the another tab, which is of leads. So guys, let me click on this tab. So this is a section of leads wherein all the real-time data of your customers would be there. So guys, leads is a section that is going to be extremely beneficial for you in terms of lead nurturing, because this is a section wherein you can have all the data of your customers and the users who are interacting with you on your Facebook business page. So once you are having the real-time data of your customers, and if you are running a business CRM, so you can use this data so as to schedule the personalized email campaigns for your customers, and you can use this data so as to send the personalized emails to your potential customers for the future business needs and the requirements. So this is definitely going to help you so as to create a strong relationship with your customers, because this data is the data which will only help you set up a conversation with your customers, not in the real time, not only in the real time, but also for the future needs and requirements. So this is how the lead section is going to help you to have your customers and the users data all together over here, and then you can use this data for further lead nurture requirements. So guys, we have discussed all the 3 tabs. The first we discussed setup. Second, we discussed how can you customize the settings for Facebook Messenger. Then we discussed how the customer data, how the users data is going to be displayed or mentioned in the leads section. So guys, all the settings have been done, and now I'm going to show you on the front end that how the settings are going to work for you. So let's visit the front end. So guys, we have now landed on the WordPress website. So this is our website, and over here I'm going to show you that how the user or your customer who is coming to interact with you on your business page can start conversation with you. So guys, here we have the chatbot builder enabled, and this is how you can implement bot on your business page. Now guys, the current business page that I had selected was page disconnection check. This is an example of the business page. Now in between, if you want to change the business page, so you can also disconnect the current business page and switch to another one. I'll be showing you this process, that how can you disconnect the current business page on which you have enabled the bot, and how can you enable the bot on the another business page. Okay, so we are going to discuss that how the customer can start the conversation. So guys, as you can see that this is a chatbot builder, and this is how the bot is going to appear to the users. Fine. So here we are getting the 2 buttons, continue as guest or continue with the ID that we have logged in. So guys, over here there are 2 options that you can also start the process as if you are it's not mandatory that you are a logged in user. Even if you do not have the Facebook account, then also your customer can converse with you as a guest user. So let's click on this button. So here is the chat started. So guys, as you can see that I had done the conversation. So for example, if I write over, so guys, now over here, for example, if I write the message, how are you? So this is a message which is going to be sent by the user end. Okay, so here I got the reply, hello, welcome to bot my work and how are you? So this is how the conversation is going to happen between the bot and the user. If I again enter the message over here, okay, so here I get the reply. So guys, this is the message that is being sent by the bot. So this is how the conversation is going to happen, and it completely depends upon the messages that we have set in the backend, both for bot and the user. So this is how it will go on, and this is how you can set up the conversation between the bot and the customer. Now one most important thing is that guys, over here if I click on this button, as you can see, if you want to end the chat, you can do it right from here by clicking on this option which is end the chat. So once you have clicked on this button, you will get the get the option to confirm that are you sure you'd like to end the chat. So let's click on this button and let me show you what is the option you're going to get. So over here you're getting the two options. So if your customer is not a logged in user, then also they can start conversing with you. They can start conversation with you as a guest user. So here they will be getting both the facilities. Even if they are not having the account on Facebook and they are not the logged in users, they can start the conversation with you and discuss about the needs and the requirements. So guys, this is how WP Chatbot Builder is going to work for you, and this is how you can set up the real-time conversation with your customers, understand and analyze their requirements, and according to that you can give them the right solutions. So guys, this was all about the today's demo video, business solutions. So guys, I have shown you all the backend settings that are required so as to enable the bot on your Facebook business page, and after that I shown you how the settings are going to work on the front end and how can your customer start the conversation with you right on the WordPress, right on your WordPress website. Now if you want to disconnect the current business page, as I had told you that I'll be showing you that how can you disconnect your bot with the current business page. So you can do it right from here. This is the option. You can see I have clicked on this button which is connected with, and the current page is page disconnection check. Okay, so this was a business page with which I had connected the bot to when I had enabled the plugin. So if you want to disconnect, so simply you have to click on this button which is disconnect, and as soon as you're going to click on this button of disconnect, you will be redirected to the Facebook pages. So as you can see guys, these are the different Facebook pages. Now it depends upon your business and the Facebook business process that to which page you want to connect. So these are the different pages. Now you can select and you can connect your bot to, again you can connect the bot to the desired Facebook page that you want to connect. So guys, this is how WP Chatbot Builder is going to work for you. And guys, if you found any queries in the entire demo video, and if you're having doubt for any particular process, you can start writing your questions and doubts in the comment section below. We'll feel glad to answer you. And rest, we have mentioned all the links to the resources of WP Chatbot Builder in the video description, so you can have a look. So guys, till the next video, thanks for watching and stay connected with us.